If you're over 50 and thinking about how to make money online, but feel like the tech side of things is holding you back, then this video is for you. I'm going to take you step by step through some simple but essential digital skills that can help you transition into the online world. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, retire early, or even replace physical work with something easier, these skills will be your gateway to success. Let's start with the big picture. Why should you even bother learning these digital skills? Well, here's the thing. The world is going digital, and if you've spent your career doing physically demanding work, like construction, manufacturing, or even nursing, you know that as we get older, these jobs can take a toll on the body. That's why digital skills are so important. They allow you to transition into work that's easier on your body, and in many cases, it can be done from the comfort of your home. Digital skills open up new doors. They allow you to work in areas like freelancing, online consulting, virtual tutoring, or even selling products online. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. Just learning the basics can make a huge difference. Okay, let's dive into some core skills you'll need. First, let's talk about basic computer skills. This may seem simple, but getting comfortable with your computer is the foundation of everything you'll do online. If you haven't used a computer much, don't worry. Here are some essentials to practice. 1. Creating and organizing files and folders. 2. Using a web browser to search for information. 3. Sending and receiving emails. 4. Typing and editing documents with tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. These might seem basic, but they're powerful skills. For example, if you want to offer freelance writing services or consulting, you'll need to know how to type up and send documents to clients. Practice organizing your folders and documents, and try typing short notes or emails to get comfortable with your keyboard. Communication tools. Email is an absolute must in today's digital world, especially when you're working online. Not only will you need to send and receive emails, but you'll also need to be able to attach files, manage conversations, and stay organized. Once you're comfortable with email, you'll also want to learn how to use video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype. These are increasingly important, especially if you want to tutor or consult online. You don't need to become an expert overnight, but practicing a few calls with friends or family can help you get comfortable. Let's talk about social media. You might think it's just for sharing photos with your family, but it's a fantastic tool for promoting your services and building a brand. Here are 3 platforms you should get familiar with. 1. Facebook. Great for building a community, promoting products, or offering local services. 2. Instagram. Perfect for visual content like photography, crafts, or baked goods. 3. LinkedIn. Ideal for professional services like consulting, tutoring, or writing. If you have a skill or hobby you're passionate about, whether it's crafting, baking, or consulting, social media can help you get the word out. Start by creating simple posts that showcase what you do. Don't be afraid to ask friends and family to share your posts to help you grow your audience. Now let's talk about the exciting part, getting paid. Whether you're freelancing, offering services, or selling products, you'll need to know how to receive payments online. Platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and Stripe make this super easy. Setting up these accounts is straightforward, and they allow you to securely send and receive money. This is especially important for building trust with clients and ensuring that payments go through smoothly. You can even integrate these payment platforms with your online store or freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Speaking of freelance platforms, let's take a closer look at Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit. These websites allow you to offer your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, handyman services, or consulting, to clients around the world. For example, if you've spent years doing physical labor, you might offer services on TaskRabbit, helping people with home repairs or furniture assembly. Or, if you have experience in business, you could provide consulting services on Upwork. These platforms make it easy to find clients, and they handle the payment process for you. If you want to take things up a notch, you can start creating digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even digital artwork. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to share your knowledge or hobbies with others and get paid for it. Creating an online course or ebook is a great way to turn your years of experience into something you can sell repeatedly. For example, if you've spent your career as a carpenter, You could create a course on basic home repair techniques. The possibilities are endless, and you only need to create the product once to start earning passive income. Remember, you don't have to learn all of this overnight. The key is to take small steps and practice a little every day. Start with the basics, get comfortable with your tools, and build from there. Whether it's freelancing, selling products, or creating digital content, these skills will help you work smarter, not harder. And if you're ever feeling stuck, just know that you're not alone. Thousands of people over 50 are making these transitions and finding new opportunities online. You've got this! Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips on making money and navigating the online world after 50. Let me know in the comments what digital skill you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.